Hello, I'm Christina Amelong with the Optimal Health Network, and today I'm going to talk about enema supplies. At the Optimal Health Network, we've been supplying enema equipment for over 20 years, and we're so confident about our excellent enema equipment that we do offer a lifetime warranty on our silicone enema bags. We offer a wide variety of enema supplies. We offer kits for your enema equipment setup. We also offer all the individual parts for any assembly of your own enema kits, and we also offer all the therapeutics that go into the enema water. We offer two main product lines. We offer our Easy Enema kits and we offer our Flowmaster kits. Our Easy Enema kits come in a 2, 3, and 5 quart variety. These are great for beginners. They're our less expensive line of enema equipment. They come in silicone enema bags. They also come in latex enema bags. The kits, we also have kits with our buckets, our 2 quart stainless steel buckets, and these again come in kits with 6 feet of silicone tubing, a great big clamp that's easy to use and stop the flow of the solution as needed. And all the enema kits come with a choice of nozzles. Our 2, 3, and 5 quart Easy Enema kits are silicone. Our 4 quart Easy Enema kits come in latex. We carry the silicone line because we recommend that people use essential oils and coffee enemas, and know that the oils in the essential oils as well as in the coffee, they will degrade the latex over time, and you don't want that ending up in your body. So we do recommend that you go with the silicone enema equipment if you're able to. The latex enema equipment is somewhat cheaper, but overall the investment is well worth the benefit. Each Easy Enema kit has an enema bag, the 6 feet of tubing, a clamp, and a really great S-hook to hang the system with, and then it comes with your choice of nozzle, whether that's a silicone colon tube or a beige flex tip nozzle or a retention nozzle. Our second line of enema supplies is our Flowmaster enema kit. And our Flowmaster comes with 3 or the 5 quart silicone bag, and it comes with our hook, and it comes with 6 feet of tubing with a pump in the middle of it, an excellent clamp, and the nozzle of your choice. The difference here is that this pump offers a therapeutic experience that's more similar to a colon hydrotherapy session. So by adding in this pump, you're able to reduce cramping, you're able to deliver solution farther up into the colon, and you often can get a deeper cleanse with your enema equipment. Like I said, that's similar to a colon hydrotherapy session at a fraction of the cost. Nozzle choices, like I had said earlier, but let's go into more detail now. With both of our Easy Enema kits and our Enema series kits, you can choose which nozzle you want. Our colon tubes are a narrower nozzle that is easier to insert and deliver solution further into the colon if that's what you're looking for. The flex tip nozzle is easier to clean and our best-selling nozzle. And then we have our retention nozzle, which if you have a loose anus from age or childbirth, or if you find you leak when you take your enemas, that would be the choice for you. We also have our, if you're looking for if you have other needs around nozzles that those don't meet, you can individually buy our fantastic hand-lathed Delrin nozzles, which provide somewhat of a retention experience because of the wider diameter, and also slide right in because of the smooth, hard plastic. If you have any troubles with your Enema nozzles, you definitely want to consider investing in a Delrin nozzle. Also, we have a junior plastisol nozzle that's kind of like the Colon tube, but smaller and very flexible, which is also a great choice. So in terms of enema supplies, you also always want to be thinking about what you're going to be using in your enema bag. And given that we've worked with so many people over these 20 plus years, we've had the great honor of developing a therapeutic enema protocol that works great for many, many people and takes into account exquisite scientific evidence and a lot of clinical information about how to use these enemas to bring about greater health. So we have our first step in the enema process is the made for enema soap. The second step is the essential oils and the sea salt. And the third step is with the coffee. So if you're at all considering an enema kit, then you definitely want to go with Optimal Health Network's Enema Series Supply Kit. And you will find that enemas give you a great benefit in your health program. So thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions or needs, please feel free to reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com. Thank you.